Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Water Sign Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Take only what resonates. Hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. So, kung personal reading, gusto mo magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, i-search mo siya sa Facebook, no? Kasi siya yung pwedeng magbigay ng personal reading sa'yo. Ayan. And if you want, kung gusto mong maswerte kang mapili, kasi mamimili siya sa October ng kanyang maswerteng mabibigyan ng personal reading. Kung gusto mong mapili, mag-comment ka lang na mag-comment sa mga videos every time na nonood ka, mag-comment ka para mapansin ka niya kasi magtitingin-tingin siya sa comment section. And kung sino yung mapupukaw ng atensyon niya, maaaring yun ang mabigyan niya ng maswerteng personal reading sa October, sa birthday niya. Okay, pa-birthday niya yan. Okay, for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, you do have your Eight of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You do have here the Moon, ayan, Pisces energy. And then you do have here the Knight of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Temperance. Also, yung Moon at saka Temperance, these are both major arcanas. Okay, and I really do like the energy kasi napakakalmado. Water sign, I feel like, you feel like, parang, you are stuck. Yung iba is stuck sa situation or you just feel bored. Ayan, yung iba you just feel bored, di ka makaalis, hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta or gusto mong maybe may pupuntahan ka pero hindi mo naman alam kung saan yon or kung sino isasama mo doon, pwede ganun. The Moon is here, ang lawak ng imagination mo, no? Ang sobrang lawak. And pwedeng you are daydreaming. There are times that you are daydreaming. Meron mga times na some of you, hindi ka nagiging, you're being a secretive person. Pero sa bagay, hindi naman kasi lahat ng tao sa paligid mo kailangan malaman yung nangyayari sa'yo, bagay na iniisip mo, 'di ba? Some of you masyado ka masikreto or meron ka mga sinisikreto. And I can see some of you are telling white lies or mga kasinungalingan na parang dapat lang kasi sabihin kasi pag hindi mo ginawa or hindi mo sinabi, maaaring maging mas iba yung sitwasyon. You do have here the Knight of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. I feel like there's a person na malayo sa'yo na gusto niya mag-travel to see you. I can sense na itong person na ito is a soulmate. Energy, the Temperance card is here. Matagal na siya naghihintay. Kasi mahal ka niya eh. Queen of Cups. Willing siya mag-travel for you. Gusto niyang i-end, okay. Kung siya ay nasa another relationship, willing siyang i-end yung relationship na yun or yung connection na yun to focus on you. Tapos para mag-effort sa'yo. Like, willing siyang i-end yung relationship niya with this person, with the Tower and the Lovers. This is another relationship. This is another connection. Na parang willing na akong tapusin to, willing na akong i-end to kasi just in case lang na bigyan mo ng chance yung sa atin, I will be choosing you. I will be choosing you. Ikaw yung pinipili niya. Okay? And maybe even regarding pagta-travel, willing siya mag-travel, mag-effort para sa'yo because ikaw ang pinipili na itong taong to. And then willing siyang i-end yung connection niya dito sa person na ito. Tell me about the Moon. You do have the Queen of Swords. This is you. You don't care. Okay, soulmate tayo. This is your energy, ha? Okay, soulmate tayo, pero ayoko eh. Gusto ko umiwas, gusto ko lumayo, gusto kong mag-focus sa sarili ko, sa pangarap ko. That's your energy. Okay, maybe you are the one na hindi ka nagiging open sa person na ito. Maybe you are the one na nag-e-end na ng connection ninyo ng person na ito. And you're focusing on yourself. And maybe marami ka pa kasing pangarap sa buhay. Maybe hindi naman kasi ito yung priority mo, yung person na to, or yung pakikipag-love or relasyon. What's with the Eight of Swords? Four of Pentacles is here. Yeah. Nagfo-focus ka sa pag-iipon sa sarili mo or sa pag-iipon. This is you with the Four of Pentacles. Umiiwas or lumalayo with regards to your person. And kaya mo ginagawa yan is because although he or she is your soulmate, may priorities ka talaga. Yung iba, ayaw mo kasing magmukhang kawawa or magmukhang tanga. Pwedeng ganon. So, messages for money. Ano muna tayo? Kuha tayo messages for money. For water sign. Four of Swords. Five of Wands. The Lovers. Actually, this is mag-asawa eh. I can see a person, mag-asawa in particular. With the Four of Swords, na parang like tanggap na niya, tanggap na nila, parang ganon. Kung ano man yung kahinatnan mo. Like kung ikaw ay mawawala, kung ikaw ay aalas, tanggap na nila or tatanggapin nila. Okay, ganun yung energy because possible na nagkakaroon ng pag-aaway, pagkakagulo, maybe because of you. Kung hindi, I don't know kung involved sila, but there's this mag-asawa na nakikita natin pagdating sa money, na kung aalis ka or mawawala ka, they're feeling sad. So, I feel like these are employers. Yan. Pwedeng ganon. Pwedeng, boss, ganon, yung energy. Pero pwede rin namang hindi. So, kung aalis ka or mawawala ka, tanggap nila, malungkot or masakit para sa kanila, pero maybe kasi hindi na nagkakaayos, medyo may pagkakagulo, and then, pwedeng ito lang yan, naisip nila na paraan na makakapagpa-okay sa lahat. Maybe kung aalis ka. So, what will happen in the future for you? Tell me more for water sign. Five of Cups, Six of Cups, and the Six of Wands. Clarify the Five of Cups. The Tower. Okay. Pagdating sa love, not so good. Kasi nakikita natin na meron ka talagang tina-turn down, nilalayuan, iniiwasan, or ini-end mo yung connection mo. And this would lead into this person feeling sad. Person mo to eh. Malulungkot siya, masasaktan siya kasi talagang mag-i-end yung sa inyo. And this is because this is your choice. This is what you want. No? Yung choice mo is mag-focus sa sarili mo. Mag-focus sa victory, sa success mo. The Six of Cups is here. Mas nakikita natin na kung ano man yung mga nawala sa'yo in the past, tanggap mo na rin na nawala ito. And that you are already okay and happy kung nasaan ka na ngayon. Whether you are in a relationship or single with the Six of Wands, nakikita natin, okay na ako eh. Kaya bakit ko pa babalikan yung nakaraan? Bakit pa ako magpapakatanga? So, ganun yung energy. So, your person in the past is feeling a lot of sadness in the future kasi hindi ko na nakukuhang babalik ka pa sa kanya. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.